right, peeps, let's get right to it. So yes, we are making a rock band. So you're gonna get that red Solo cup that you had last night. You're gonna go ahead and turn that into a maraca, and then you're gonna get that pot and pan, make that into a drum, and then you're gonna go ahead and fill up a glass of water. Make it a glass, guys, so you can make that little ting 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 sound. And this is me and my adorable little family rocking out. Try it, guys. Now, I haven't made a video for each one of these suggestions I'm giving you guys, so if you do like any of these and you want to see a video on it, please comment down below. Now, this one is self-explanatory. I ain't gotta explain this one, but some people just don't think about these things, so I gotta show you. Look at all the fun we're having. You can have fun too. Get your kid, get you a sprinkler. I think we got our sprinkler from Walmart. I got it on the clearance area because you know how I do, but you guys can get a sprinkler. I don't think they're that much, and you will have the time of your life. Yes, we aren't even wearing bathing suits. You can just play in a sprinkler. All right, now this one's a little bit more intricate because, I'm just kidding, it's not intricate. You go outside with your kid and you pick up everything you see in nature, and she's 2, so she doesn't even really know what any of this stuff is, so she's learning about what a stick is, what a leaf is, so this is perfect for the real littles. But if you have a child that's older, you can make it a little bit more scientific. So if y'all want me to do a video on this one, I got you. Comment number 8 if you want to see this in a video. This was so fun, I swear, y'all. Look at her doing hopscotch. Look at my baby. So yeah, I taught my 2-year-old how to do hopscotch. Y'all like that? Teach your kid today. Like, the real legit way. Get the rock, throw it, show them how to do the real old school way. Parents, come on, 80s babies. Now I must say, make sure it's a windy day because your kite may look like this. But when it's windy, honey, it may look like this. Look at him, y'all, having more fun than my child. He should be ashamed of himself. You got a baking sheet? Check. You got magnetic letters? Check. Well, you can do this. Alright, I know she 2, but we learning how to spell up in this house, okay? Literacy is king or queen. Now, this is just my element, y'all. Y'all know I love a good sensory bin. I will throw some rices. I will throw some rices and beans in a bucket and make my kids play with that thing all day long, and they will, as you can see. Now, if y'all want me to do a whole video on all the sensory bins I've done, please drop that in below and I will be happy to do so. Yeah, and please peep out how I use the pool to make it mess-free. I mean, contain the mess. Nah, don't click off, y'all. Don't click off. Stay with me. Stay with me. This is not hard. I thought it was hard. I was intimidated by it. I was first introduced to the idea when I taught preschool, and I realized if I can make Play-Doh in a classroom, y'all can make Play-Doh at home. Okay, so if y'all want to see me drop a video on this one, let me know. Comment number 3, and I got you. Got food coloring? Check. Got vinegar? Check. Got baking soda? Check. You can do this. Just fill up a glass or a vase like I got here because I wanted to amp up the special effects. And fill up with a little bit of baking soda and add the vinegar. Done. And she thought she was casting spells, y'all. My baby, I love her. But who taught her beating the vase? Like, who taught her beating the vase was gonna make it happen? She was beating that thing. Look at her, y'all. We made it to number 1, y'all. And these weren't even in any special order, but this was one of my favorites. We painted bricks. Now make sure you use like a paint that ain't gonna wash away, because I learned the hard way. I used some washable kid paint and that thing rained on it and it just went away. But if you use like acrylic paint, it should be good, because that's what we use and it's still standing strong, honey. But this was so fun. Look, you see how I did those bricks with their footsteps or footprints, sorry. I plan on doing one of those every year so I can see their growth. It's gonna be so fun. Now I had to throw in a little bonus for y'all. Bonus tip, play with a balloon. There is at least, I can give y'all 10 ways right now, but we don't have time for that, of how you can play with a balloon. I can give you 10 ways. But what we did with this one, I practiced her counting, and every time she's hitting it, I'm like, we're counting it. And if it hits the ground, we gotta start over. So make a goal, you know what I mean? Make a goal and make sure that you are having fun with your kid. That's all that matters. 1, 2. If you had a good time with me today, please guys don't forget to share my videos with other parents, because I know they need to have some ideas and stuff to do with their kids too, alright? And don't you forget to check out my other videos. They are so easy to make and so fun. Well, I had fun with you guys, and I will see you on our next video.